Look at that. Perfect day to get the e-bike out and go for a little explore. Just a really nice view, that is. So the plan is, what's just happened, I've actually been out, and to get here I looked at some bridleways etc to get here off road, and well, they were rubbish. There was just not even a view. It was just all straight lines, horrible rough terrain, and I just didn't record anything. Hopefully though, we're going to get should be a bit more to see. I'm on the 1500 watt Trek Marlin. I think 1500 watts pretty good for around these sort of areas, although I did come up a massive hill. I was going to record that, but by the time I would have got my helmet back on and turned the camera, because when I'm going from A to B, often I won't wear my helmet, just because if you do see someone, it does look a bit weird having a full face helmet on. Oh, look at these nice. Missed that. So I decided to put my helmet on along this road and catch some of the views down into the valley. There's an old train track along where I'm heading to, and I should come out at the bottom of Stow on the Wold, some place I did a little tour on a while back. This is like another entrance to it, off-road. Sometimes it's just really nice to mix up my channel's content with this sort of stuff. Although it is to do with exploring and adventure, this is just a slower form. But it's more forgiving, it's less pressure on me, and I just really enjoy getting about on two wheels. It hasn't got to rip your arms off. Oh, look at the views again. I wanted to see what this tower's all about. What I seem to be doing is e-bike tours around Oxfordshire and Gloucestershire. Online. What's this? That place. Got no doors or windows. Must be something. There's like a gate here. Some stinging nettles there. Oh, what the? I always hate looking around in places like this. I don't know what you're going to find. Oh, sweet. What are these? Oh, they're a bit roached, Americans would say. And I'd say a bit far gone. It's not oil cans anyway. Oh. Shit. Oh my god, I didn't look up. That might not be very safe. There's some old water tower then. Ah, fuck a mother. Ah! Serves you right. Oh my god. I expect I got a few of those prickles stuck in me now. Again, endless views that way. Oh, this must be the modernised one. Compressed gas. Looking at a vehicle. Well, that was a good start. There's a bit of a old quarry. We're right up in highland here. Crikey, you've got 360 views all round. Look at my arm, it's bleeding. I can't even see in there. It looked interesting. How do I get a view in there? Interesting enough that they've grown a hedge with no easy access. You can see something. Right, let's park this up. That'll do. Oh, there's a bit of a dip in there. I can see an old ghetto blaster. Looks like a fishing mat. Oh look, bit of a hole down there. That's no good. Looks like people tip their junk down here. Interesting. Now, where did I get in? Next to this wooden thing. That brake is still squealing away. I'm going to get some more brake pads. Slow down. You have to come back up here. I hate gravel on hard pack. Too much front and could be boobs up. Oh, I'm dreading going up there. Buildings. What? You know, on some of these new kits you can get that regen thumb brake. That could be quite handy. Save the brakes. What is this? must be the train track, but I'm not sure if it's private or what. Yeah, look at the embankments. This is another tip. Oh, that could be one for another day. Time's not on my side again, and I've already wasted time this morning trying to find this place. Well, trying to actually get here an exciting way, which never happened. Quite often when you're out on a ride that does happen, but you know, you're not going to find anywhere or learn these things if you don't go and try for yourself. At least I know I don't need to go that way again. Try another one next time. We're just cruising in second gear, about 20 miles per hour, thumbing it. Lapping up this lovely day. She's slowing, let's knock it down a gear. I'm trying to conserve my battery, you see. Yeah, look, it's like some sort of semicircle house. You wouldn't want to be that bricklayer. How'd you tie a line for that? Whipped my hand. I couldn't see which way I was meant to go then. Main road there, not going there. Across there, I mean. He was kind. Now then, I'm not sure what I want to do. I don't want to go through any busy areas today. I like just being alone in the countryside. The squirrel. Bloody grey thing. Tree rat. That bomb site lilac. First of all, anyway, I'm going to go back this way. I'm going to tackle all the big hill and then, well, see what else I can find. Finally made it up there, not without the help of a bit of leg power. You could probably go up there, you know, in top gear, wouldn't have to pedal, but your controller and hub are going to get hot. It probably won't do them any long-term favours. An old plough. Crikey, imagine doing a whole field with that little thing. It'd be like being given a spade now and told to go and dig the foundations for a house. On your own. A big house. Oh, I remember where I am now. I've been here before, and there was an American car parked just behind me. I can't remember what was down here. Probably should turn around then. I've been so many places now, I actually forget a lot of the roads or where I've been down or haven't been down. Within about 5 to 10 miles away from my place. All these little cottages. Well then people, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Came out for a bit of an explore, nothing serious. I've had quite a nice explore and it's a lovely day just to open your eyes to what's around. Well, I certainly had fun. I hope you enjoyed this upload and maybe we shall see you in the future. Moto Machines out.